Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Superbox remote not working, reset, pair and fix unresponsive remote. Fix 1. Replace the batteries. Remove both batteries from the remote. Insert 2 fresh AAA batteries. Make sure plus and minus end are installed correctly. Fix 2. Restart the Superbox. Unplug the Superbox from power and wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in and wait for the home screen to load. Fix 3. Move the remote closer. So keep the remote within about 10 to 12 inches of the Superbox while pairing. Now remove nearby Bluetooth devices that could interfere with pairing. Fix 4. Repair the Bluetooth remote. So turn on the Superbox and press the voice or microphone button. Hold OK plus return together until the indicator light flashes. Follow the pairing instructions on the TV and go to settings, then click on remote and accessories and confirm that the remote is connected. Fix 5. Reset the remote connection. So remove the batteries from the remote and unplug the Superbox for about 30 seconds. Now reconnect the Superbox and let it start completely. Now put the batteries back in the remote and try the Bluetooth pairing process again. Fix 6. If only the TV powers or volume buttons does not work. These buttons using IR learning, which is separate from Bluetooth pairing. Reprogram the power, volume and mute buttons using your original TV remote. Fix 7. If voice control is not working. Check the Bluetooth pairing successful. Restart the Superbox. Check your internet connection and make sure the microphone is not blocked. Test voice control from the home screen. Goodbye and thanks for watching.